for anybody that's having vibratory feeders or a live bottom cone, I'll let Masterson kind of explain what we're doing here and why we do this here.
Well, as you can see, the live bottom was having this problem with the metered feed that they had, and the workforce there was heavily on the hammer rash. So the solution was, let's get a cannon in there so the guys aren't swinging over their head, creating injuries. And that's what the real problem was. So we had to isolate the vibration from the cannon with this flexible discharge. And this is a specific style of flex hose that we use for the Hurricane because of it has the stepped up performance. But as you can see, we isolate it. The cannon is mounted to the I-beam above, but the rotation of the live bottom is being isolated on this flexible hose. This was planned to have 4 cannons on it. But the one worked so well, they just left it as one cannon. So sometimes we don't know how much effect it will do for promoting flow. In this case, it was it really was high performance on getting the job done. But just an application showing you how you can isolate the cannon from the vibration. The two don't play well, and we use a flexible discharge hose.
Good point. Yeah, the problem with vibration is it actually attacks the welds on your pressure vessel. Vibration can cause issues with your valve assembly. That's like Masterson said, we provide that 4-inch flex line to absorb that vibration, providing a long-lasting cannon system that you don't have to constantly repair.